Hey everybody, Denskill here. Hope you're having a good day. In this short little video, I'm going to demonstrate a use for the mid-control push-pull on the Yamaha Revstar. This video is not sponsored or endorsed by Yamaha or any third parties, or second ones, or fourth ones. The push-pull on the Yamaha Revstar on the tone knob engages a transformer. Some people don't find it useful, but I do, especially when used with a wah pedal, which I'll demonstrate. Hopefully you heard some tonal differences there. Let me know in the comments. Denskill out.